Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have credentials and a client. Start by verifying network reachability. Use ping or NC to confirm the MySQL host responds and make sure port 3306 is reachable. Once confirmed, run the MySQL client, MySQL H hostname P3306U user P, then enter your password. This first step both authenticates and lets you see immediate errors. If you hit authentication problems, stop and recheck the username, password, and host spelling before moving on. Once authenticated, focus on secure and stable access. If the server requires SSL, use SSL mode or supply CA and client certs so data is encrypted. For databases behind firewalls, create an SSH tunnel to forward local port 3306 to the remote socket. This avoids exposing MySQL publicly. Make sure the server's bind address allows connections from your IP and that the user has proper grant. Then run show databases and a simple select to validate both connectivity and permissions. Finish by saving connection settings securely and closing any extra sessions to avoid resource limits. Make sure your application uses connection pooling and correct timeouts so the server stays responsive. If you still cannot connect, one key troubleshooting tip. Inspect the MySQL error log and confirm firewall or IPtables rules aren't blocking the port. Also verify user grants and host allowances with select user, host from MySQL. User. This often reveals permission or host mismatch issues that prevent success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.